Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this smart band. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and select it. Oh, my bad. In system, scroll down and find the shutdown option. Then tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off the band. And after a second or two, the smart band should turn off. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.